It was a Saturday morning in 1983. I was 9 years old. The sun was coming through the curtains, and the house was quiet. My parents were still sleeping. My little sister was still sleeping. But I was awake. I was always awake, early on Saturdays. I walked to the kitchen. I drank a glass of cold water. I looked out the window. The street was empty. The birds were singing. It was a normal morning, but that day was not a normal day. My uncle came to visit us that afternoon. His name was Robert. He was young, only 22 years old. He always wore a leather jacket. He always smiled. I loved my Uncle Robert. He came through the front door with a big bag. It was a heavy bag. He put it on the floor in the living room. "I have something for you," he said. I looked at my mother. She was smiling. I looked at my father. He was smiling too. "What is it?" I asked. "Come and see," said Uncle Robert. He opened the bag slowly. Inside there was a box. It was white and black. There were words on the box, but I did not understand them. There were pictures on the box, small colorful pictures of things moving, things flying, things running. "It is a video game console," said Uncle Robert. I did not know that word, console. I said it quietly to myself. "Console. What does it do?" I asked. Uncle Robert laughed. It was a good laugh, warm and happy. "I will show you," he said. He connected it to our television. It took a long time. There were cables, small cables, big cables, red cables, yellow cables. My father helped. My mother watched from the door. My sister sat on the floor next to me. We were all silent. Then Uncle Robert turned on the television. The screen changed. It was not the news. It was not a film. It was not a program with people talking. It was something I had never seen before. There were colors. There were shapes. There were little figures moving on the screen. And there was music. Small, simple, happy music. It came from the television, but it was different from any music I knew. My mouth was open. I could not close it. "Do you want to play?" asked Uncle Robert. He gave me something in my hand. It was small and hard and black. It had a little stick in the middle and 2 red buttons on the side. "This is the joystick," he said. "Move the stick. Press the button." I looked at it. I looked at the screen. I moved the stick, slowly, carefully, like it was something precious. On the screen, a little figure moved. It moved because of me. I pressed the button. The little figure jumped. It jumped because of me. I felt something in my chest, something warm and big and new. I did not have a word for it. Now I think the word is magic. We played all afternoon. Uncle Robert showed me everything. My sister played too. Even my father played, and he laughed like a child. My mother sat on the sofa and watched us, and she smiled the whole time. Outside, the sun moved slowly across the sky. The street got quieter. The birds stopped singing. The light changed from yellow to orange to pink. But inside our living room, we did not notice we were in another world. That night, my uncle went home. He took the bat with him, but he left the console. It was a gift. My mother said we could only play on weekends. My father said we had to do our homework first. I said yes to everything. Yes, 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 because the console was ours now, and I was the happiest boy in the world. I lay in my bed that night, and I could not sleep. I closed my eyes, and I saw the little figure on the screen. I saw the colors. I heard the small, happy music. I smiled in the dark. Many years have passed since that Saturday in 1983. The world is very different now. Games are everywhere, on phones, on computers, on big screens. They have beautiful pictures and long stories and millions of players from every country. But sometimes when I close my eyes, I go back to that living room. I feel the joystick in my small hand. I see the screen light up for the first time. And I feel it again, that warm, big, new feeling in my chest. Magic, some things you never forget.